To ensure optimal results, follow these simple steps for photographing spare parts. Begin by creating a new project in the Orbitvu Station software. This will provide you with a dedicated workspace to manage your photography process. Before capturing the images, ensure the spare parts are clean and free from fingerprints or smudges, which will help showcase their details accurately. Position the product in the center of the device, aligning it with the intersection of the laser line. In this way, the part is perfectly centered and in focus. Adjust the lighting to enhance the visibility of the item. If the products are highly reflective, consider using additional accessories like light diffusers. They can modify the softness and gradients of the front lights, allowing you to achieve the desired lighting effect. To preview the lighting effect in real time, utilize the live view feature provided by the software. Now, it's time to take the photos. Automated devices are ideal for photographing spare parts and other challenging items. You can use these devices to capture product stills, 360-degree spins, and even product videos. This versatility will allow you to showcase the unique features of each spare part effectively. Experiment with different perspectives while capturing the photographs. Consider top-down shots or close-ups to capture the essence of the part from various angles. To speed up the photography process, use the function button on the device. Thanks to this, you'll be able to capture your products more efficiently, saving time in the process. For consistency in your product photos, utilize a template that keeps the light and camera settings the same throughout the entire shoot. It will help maintain a cohesive look and feel across all the images. As you capture the photographs, you'll notice that the background is removed automatically. This feature saves you the hassle of editing out the background manually and ensures a clean, professional look for your product images. Once you've finished capturing the spare parts, you can easily upload the images and 360-degree spins to your e-commerce platform with a single click in the Orbitvu Station software. This seamless integration streamlines the process of showcasing your products online. Take advantage of e-commerce plugins that allow you to automatically deliver your product content to popular marketplaces like Shopify, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Shopware, or Magento. They will expand your reach and make it easier for potential customers to discover and purchase your spare parts. By following these steps, you'll have high-quality product photos of your spare parts readily available whenever you need them. Contact us and explore the potential of automation and how it can impact your e-commerce spare parts business.